So, we were just supposed to go out for coffee and billiards, but we ended up at the Bloomsville Bazaar instead. It's in Old Klang Road, right in front of Skydeck Bloomsville Shopping Gallery. From what we saw, it seems like it only opens on certain days, usually weekends, but not every day. There are a lot of food and drink options and everything is affordable. The whole place has a really chill vibe. But what really made it fun were the cats and dogs just walking around everywhere. Ang cute nila, parang part talaga ng bazaar. Tapos may live singers pa. Nung una okay lang, but when they started singing English songs, napahinto talaga kami kasi ang ganda ng boses. So meron akong kinuhang clip, tingnan nyo na lang.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. When you give us something to me, you know.
让我们一起了解多少遍传递就